Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You are highly welcome. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Today I want to take you guys along with me and show you guys how I make this lovely pineapple fried rice. Very simple, very easy, guys. This is something you see in 5 stars hotel. It's very simple. You can make it by yourself. It doesn't need to go out there and spend money to eat it. You can treat yourself while you are home. You and your hubby will enjoy yourself, and your kids also. Okay, so guys, I'm going to take you guys along with me and show you guys how I make this lovely fried rice. Okay, let's go down to the kitchen now. So guys, this is all the ingredients we are going to use to prepare the pineapple fried rice. Over here is my 3 eggs, ginger and garlic, chopped onions, sweet pepper, carrots, green peas, spring onions, canned prawn, pineapple, sesame oil, soy sauce, curry, turmeric, white pepper, and Aromat. So this is all the ingredients we are going to use to prepare the pineapple fried rice. Very simple. It won't even take time to make it. It's very simple dish. And I'm going to the rice. I've already parboil the rice and leave it to get cold before I can start. So now I'm going to start cutting the pineapple. I'm going to get them out from the shell and slice them while I will start preparing the sauce. And I'm going to use the shell to dish the rice, so I'm not going to get rid of it, guys. Okay, so you can see it now. So I'm going to get them out now. So let's dive into the cooking now. So over here is my oil. I'm going to fry the prawn first. I mix it with soy sauce. I'm going to fry it for 3 minutes. So guys, you can see it's ready now. I'm going to take it and keep it aside while I go ahead and fry the eggs. So I'm adding the eggs now. So after frying the egg is ready. I'm going to keep it aside and I'll start preparing all the vegetable. I'm going to add another oil for the vegetable. I'm going to add onions. I will add my carrots. Then after that, I'm going to add ginger and garlic, and I'll add my green peas, and I'm going to fry them for 2 minutes. And I'm adding curry now, turmeric, pepper, and Aromat. So I'm going to mix them properly. After frying them, I'm going to add the pineapple. You can see how I chopped it. So I'm going to add the rice now. Guys, I told you guys it's very simple and very easy. See? It doesn't even take any time. I'm going to add the egg bag and the prawn. I'm going to mix them properly now. We're almost there. Almost there. So I'm adding the sweet pepper for more colorful. So I'm going to add the soy sauce now. I text it, you know soy sauce have a lot of salt on it, okay? So be careful. So I'm adding my spring onions now. And the food is ready, guys. That's it. Guys, look at this rice. You see how it looks like? Very sweet and yummy. Okay, so I've turned off the heat. I'm about to serve. So I'm using the pineapple shell to serve it now. Guys, this is lovely. Very rich, yummy and sweet. This one you just stay at home and treat yourself like where you went to 5-star hotel, you know. You can do it at home. You must not go outside and spend money to do it. It's very simple, okay guys? So guys, this is end of all the ingredients put together. You can see how it looks like. Very yummy, very rich. So guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe, thumbs up for me guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.